Here is our new project, a 2007 Jayflight, Jayco Jayflight, 26-footer. Okay, let's go on in. We've got this vinyl flooring, and this is the slide. The slide includes the banquette kitchen table and this couch. The bathroom is there in the back. 2 bunks. And the kitchen. This is the bathroom. Pretty simple. It's got a nice big cabinet, toilet, sink, and a tub. And the other side of the trailer, some big cabinets, and then back to the bed. Lots of cabinets and storage space. And then this is the kitchen area. No counter space. Kids already love the bunk bed. It's demo day of the Jayco Jayflight 2007 trailer today. We feel like this is going to be a lot easier than our 91 older trailer. So let me show you what we're going to do today. First up are these window treatments and these blinds that we're going to take down on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 windows. So we will take those down first. Those nice big windows, much better. Let in the light. Doing, Cass? Oh, good job. Okay, all the window coverings are down, so next is this couch. If you want it for free, you can have it. And the dinette, bench it and table are going out next. I don't know, I kind of love that material. What do you think? And look, the material even matches this beautiful wallpaper border. Just made a mess in here. Oh, everything torn apart. What did you do?
What I was told.
Look how nice and open it looks. Next step, we're going to take off this trim around the slide. I don't know, Beast is really in love with these medallions, but I told him they had to go. Take off that pin board, the door so that we can paint it, and that bathroom vanity mirror, and this small cabinet.
Little medallion, screws to take it off. Beautiful. There's a part where things get uglier before they get better. But they did come off really easily. I like that. The bathroom door off so we can paint it. Next is this. In our old trailer, these things were like stapled in from the outside. Thankfully on this one, just 4 screws. Easy.
This works fast. Got all of this trim out. And the door is off. And that cabinet is down. As we prepare for painting, we're going to take off this carbon monoxide detector and smoke detector, and we got one that is combined.
Plus,
no batteries.
no batteries anyway.
We got one that's combined that's only like $20 on Amazon. So we'll take those off.
No battery.
No battery. We're also going to take off these lights and this wall sconce there, because we're going to buy new lights for those areas. And then just everything to get ready for painting. Screws and nails, things in the walls, things that are old and aren't being used anymore. And then we will start taking off all the cupboard door fronts and drawers. We're also going to take down these curtains and the ones in there on the small windows, but we're going to keep these. We're going with lots of blues, and these fit this space really well. So we will, and they're in good shape. So we will reuse these 3 curtains. We've decided to reconfigure this whole entertainment cupboard right here. We are going to take the whole thing out and build a new one that is thinner and actually closes up this entry right here, so there'll only be one entry to the master bedroom. So yep, we'll see how that goes. I told Beast to start tearing down things again. Okay, that whole big cupboard's gone now with all the wires hanging out of the ceiling. So we're gonna have to build a new wall.
After a little bit of cleaning up, slightly less dangerous. Okay, about to rip that sink off of there. I have it detached, and I think it's ready. Okay, and there it's out. We'll put something different in there. It's a lot better than what was there. Hey look, figured out how to get those panels out of there, so it's easier to paint them. Cool. Beginnings of a new countertop and new sink, though this sink is not giving up easily. Okay, and done with that. Oven sitting on the ground. That's about enough demolition for one day.